I want to demo this app, Flipboard, for the iPad. And this is basically to give you an illustration of the functionality of the iPad. You know, when people say that the iPad is just a large touch, you have no idea what you're missing. Okay, Flipboard is basically a customizable web portal that you can add a lot of content, and it is just displayed very lovely on the iPad. Okay, so I'm going to give you a demonstration of this. First of all, when you open it up, all right, let me just zoom out a little bit. When you open it up, any picture content is displayed on your iPad as like a screensaver, and it's just lovely. The picture is awesome. You know, it basically gives you a slideshow of the content that you have selected inside. All right, and all along the bottom here, you see these little icons. These icons represent the content that you have selected. But let's go in and flip this puppy open so you can see what it looks like inside. So I just flipped it open. It's like turning a page, and this is the index, so to speak. And each of these portals, these windows, are portals into content that you either selected from a predefined list or you defined yourself. And it allows you to do that. You can customize this entire page, and by editing it, which is right here, and you can add content based on, you know, stuff that's available, or you can actually put like Twitter feeds. An example here would be my Facebook account. Right, this is my Facebook account where I see the icon is represented with pictures from people who are on my friend list, and this changes. This changes as the stuff is updated. That's the other lovely thing about it. So if I just like tap this puppy, right, it takes me into my Facebook account. I'm trying to zoom out so you can see it. And this is a picture, you know, that you would normally see on your Facebook account. I'm actually getting information from Facebook of my account. And I'm going to flip. And you can read the articles in your Facebook account just like as if you were reading a magazine. And this is all content and links and stuff posted by people who are on my list. And it takes that stuff and it actually goes out and grabs the graphic information. Oops, I just touched it. Or if you want to zoom in, or you can zoom out. Actually, come back out. You can zoom in for full content. And if you really want to, okay, let me just scan through this real quick. You can see this. These are all posts from people on my list. It looks very clean, very nicely done. Very nicely done. Okay, so now I'm going to come out of here, go back to the front page, and I am going to show you what, this is my Twitter account. And I have like all of the feeds coming into my Twitter account. Check this out. Boom. It actually pulls in the graphic data from the URLs of the things that I'm following. So you can actually see it. And again, it's all put out here in book format. Nicely done. Nice and clean. Now let's say here, look. This article is being fed from CNN because I follow CNN. Boom, 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 boom. I want to look at the picture, the content, it's redisplayed, and at the bottom, if I want to look at it from the web, if I want to see the actual source, all I got to do is hit this puppy, and look at how seamless that is. Okay? That's an example of the functionality of the iPad demonstrated through this app, Flipboard. And you can see there's video here, and you see how fast and smooth that is. So for those people who say that the iPad is essentially a big iPod Touch, You have no idea what you're missing. Go out and get one and stop hating later.